It's day 2 of Vlogmas, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Becca. I generally make content around fibre arts, but as I'm new to YouTube, I thought that I would have a little play around and take part in a YouTube tradition, which is Vlogmas. So if you've never heard of Vlogmas before, basically it's a vlog every day for 24 days running up to Christmas. And it has really made me think about Christmas traditions. So I'm out on my morning walk with my little dog. I'll turn you around in a minute and show you where I am. And I've been thinking a lot about making new Christmas traditions. A lot of us find Christmas quite difficult. I find aspects of Christmas quite difficult. I worked in catering for a really long time, so I got a little bit jaded about Christmas, and a lot of the joy kind of went out of it. By the time you've had your 14th Christmas dinner on about the 5th of December, because you've probably been doing Christmas events since the middle of November, the last thing you want to see is a Christmas dinner on Christmas Day with your family. And for many years I also worked on Christmas Day as well, so I kind of didn't even get that. So when my partner retired and I retired from catering, I call myself semi-retired. I'm semi-retired, if that's a word. Is that still a thing? Yeah, I'm semi-retired. But we have been making new Christmas traditions because we no longer keep animals, and we used to keep pigs and chickens. We still keep bees, but you don't have to do anything to them on Christmas Day. As chickens and pigs, you do have to feed on Christmas Day. So we've been making new Christmas traditions for ourselves that maybe get rid of some of those more negative feelings we had about, oh no, not another Christmas dinner. Anyway, if you're new here, as I said, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. And there will be a return to my normal fibre arts content, but probably not for about another 5 days, because we have our first lot of Christmas visitors arriving on Monday. So for me, it's all about Christmas prep at the moment. So I'm just going to turn you around and show you where I am today. Millie and I, that's Millie the dog, we're on our morning walk, and oh, you can just see the long shadow, the winter shadow. So there I am, hello, and we're just walking in the woods. And we had a frost yesterday, but not today. But it is still quite cold, which is really unusual because we live in Pembrokeshire, we live on the coast, and it's generally quite warm here, and we don't get very many frosts. There you go, there's the woodland. So we're just enjoying that. And then it'll be back to the house, and I've got lots of jobs to do to get ready for our visitors coming at Christmas. So I will share some of that as the day goes on. See you in a bit. This Christmas will be my partner Andrew and I's 16th Christmas together. And one of the traditions that we started very early on was making Sloe Gin. And if you're unfamiliar with Sloe Gin, it's basically homemade liqueur. So you take gin, sugar and sloe berries, which are blackthorn berries, a sort of wild plum, and you steep them together. You don't have to leave them for a year, you can use them after 3 months, but we like to leave it for a year. Then you drain them off, and the liqueur is lovely to sip sat by the fire on a Christmas Eve, getting ready for that all exciting Christmas Day tomorrow. Now you can see what a lovely pretty pink colour it is, and it makes lovely cocktails as well. And that colour is also what you get if you dye with it. So if you like to natural dye wool, then and you don't want to make Sloe Gin, you can actually dye your wool with it. Millie's desperate to go out for a walk, but as you can see, the heavens have opened, and so I think we're going to wait until it's less rainy. I mean, she will need to go for a walk, so maybe we'll just have to go out in the rain. It's 3:30, it started hailing, and it's really dark. I mean, you'd think it was at 4:30, not 3:30. So much for me going for a walk with you and talking a bit more about creating new traditions. I think the new tradition of Vlogmas is me saying, oh, I'm losing the light, I can't film anymore. So until tomorrow, I think I will say goodbye, and I've got to decorate the Christmas cake tomorrow. Or certainly put the marzipan on top. I made it about a month ago and I've been feeding it with rum. Sometimes people put brandy in, but we like to put rum in ours. And I think that's quite a Jamaican thing to do, I believe. If you have any Jamaican relations or you are Jamaican yourself, let me know if rum is what you add to your Christmas cake. So have a great evening and I will see you tomorrow.